Hi everyone, welcome to DN Vision Smart Electronics. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a DN Vision doorbell. First of all, I'm gonna start from the doorbell and I will show you everything what you get in the box one by one. So in the box you will get a doorbell, a user manual, a sticky tape. If you don't want to use the screw, you can use a sticky tape which goes at the back of your doorbell. Some screws with the doorbell if you want your doorbell to the wall. I will put the box on the side. In this box you will get a conversion plug, a chime, and the instruction manual to set up your chime. In this small box you will get your charger, which goes to your conversion plug. Please make sure there is no space between the charger and the conversion plug. You can open your doorbell by sliding off the back cover. Here you will get 3 batteries inside. Please make sure you are removing the black tape on the flat side of the battery. I will insert all the batteries back in the doorbell. Flat side will need to be from the bottom side, and there is a diagram inside. You can see which way the battery goes. 1, 2, 3. I will put this back. I will keep this on the side, the back cover. Now the next step is you have to download the AVIT app. Please go to your Play Store if you are using if you are Android user. Please type AIWIT. You have to download this app. Installed. Open. If you don't have the account, please sign up your account. If you have account already with AVIT, please put in your details. I will log in to the AVIT app. Now, if your light on the doorbell, if the light is flashing blue, you have to reset your doorbell. I will show you how to reset your doorbell. You will see the red button at the back of your doorbell. Please hold the red button for 5 to 6 seconds,
Powering
and
on. Entering Perry.
it will reset your
Powering
doorbell.
on. Entering Perry mode.
The doorbell would say entering pairing mode. Click on your device on plus. The top option is for video doorbell. Your doorbell is flashing red. Please click on next. Doorbell is flashing red. Yes. Now the next page will take you to put your Wi-Fi password. Please enter your password. As soon you enter the password on your Wi-Fi password, the app will give you the QR code to scan through your doorbell camera. Please keep your phone on the table, and
QR code scan finished. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
the distance between your doorbell and the phone
The device is connecting to your Wi-Fi.
has to be 10 to 15 centimeters. Now the doorbell is detecting the Wi-Fi connection. As soon it finds the connection, it will be connected. Your doorbell will take 15 to 20 seconds. We still have 27 seconds left on the app.
Wi-Fi connection failed. Password error.
So this
Entering pairing mode.
is troubleshooting. That means your password was wrong in the app. I did this on purpose to show you if you put wrong password, your doorbell will not connect to your Wi-Fi and the QR it showed on the app. So please go back. Do everything the same again. Yes. And please double check your Wi-Fi password. Please make sure your Wi-Fi password is correct. So my Wi-Fi password was wrong, and I will do the same again. As you can see,
QR code scan finished.
10 to 15
Waiting for
seconds.
Wi-Fi connection. The device is connecting to your Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected. Waiting for device registration. Device registration successful.
Your doorbell has been connected to your phone. Please click on confirm, and your doorbell is set up and connected to your app. Now I'm going to show you how to connect your chime to your doorbell. I will need to move the camera so I can plug into the wall, and I will be able to show you. So please make sure your doorbell is nearby your chime. You have to press this button for 4 to 6 seconds, as you can see here, this button. There is one small button on the top of the volume button. Please press it for 4 seconds. And you can see its blue light there. And that's your chime is connected to your doorbell. I will show you again. So I will repeat again so you don't make the mistake. You will see there is 2 buttons. You have to press this small button here. You have to keep this hold for 4 seconds. When you see the blue light is on, please press the button on your doorbell. So this is the complete setup for your doorbell. If you have any questions, any queries, please comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Welcome to the DN Vision video again. Thanks for watching.